Hello, and welcome to the channel. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by planning? Feel you could be a bit more productive but really aren't? Well, if so, this video is for you, because today I'll be sharing with you my top tips for bullet journaling for planning and productivity. And I'll also show you how my Get Stuff Done notebook is the perfect tool for your journey. So let's get into it. My first tip is to understand what a bullet journal really is. It is not just a fancy planner, it is a productivity method. The beauty of it is that it's completely customizable. You don't need to be an artist to have one. The goal is to create a system that works for you. And that's exactly what my Get Stuff Done notebook helps you do. It provides a structure so you can focus on the method itself. One of the biggest hurdles for beginners is setting up the core pages. My second tip is to master essentials models with ease. In other videos, I show you how to create these pages from scratch, but my Get Stuff Done notebook has pre-designed layouts to make it simple. First, you have a space to set up your key or legend. I recommend using simple system like checkboxes for tasks, a dot for in progress, a fill-in checkbox for completed, a cross-out checkbox for cancel, and an arrow for migrated, and so on. Next, you'll find a pre-made layout for the index. This is your table of contents. You can simply log your pages here as you go. Anything that you start writing down in your notebook should have a title, and that title goes exactly here so that you can find it easily whenever you need to. Finally, we have the future log. The dates and months are already written out for you. Something that I found that I was really consuming when I was making it on my own from scratch. Now, it's easy to jot down important dates and deadlines for the months to come. Anything goes. Due dates, birth dates, events, celebrations, days off, anything that is important should be here in your future log. Think big, something that sees everything from the top, that's your future log. The information that you need to plan your monthly activities. My third tip is to plan your month. Now that you have your future log ready, it's time to build your monthly plan. Just transfer all your appointments and deadlines from your future log to your monthly layouts. This gives you a great overview and helps you prepare for the weeks ahead. This is the page you'll use most often, your weekly spread. For beginners, my best advice is to keep it simple. Don't worry about elaborate drawings, just focus on functionality. In my Get Stuff Done notebook, you'll have lots of blank pages that you can modify to your needs. In my playlist, Weekly Spreads, there's many examples for you to follow. But again, it doesn't have to be complicated, it doesn't have to be really elaborate, it doesn't have to be artisty. It has to be a way for you to know what needs to be done each and every single day. Just add the dates and your daily to-do list. This spread will be your guide for the entire week. As a bonus tip, I highly recommend using a tracker. You can include trackers in many different ways in your planner. You can do it monthly, like I do, with the Savers trackers from the book Miracle Mornings, which helps you track habits like silence, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribbling. Or you can add trackers directly from your weekly spreads for things like water intake, workouts, series that you're watching on TV, or even reading. My last tip is the most important one. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your bullet journal is not meant to be perfect, it's meant to be functional. If you make a mistake, just cross it out and keep going. My Get Stuff Done notebook is your blank canvas, and it's built to be used. So pick a pen and start your journey today. So if you're ready to start this journey, I have a lot of resources for you. I have playlists and videos that help you set up your bullet journal, get ready for school, plan every month, and of course, I have the notebook Get Stuff Done that will give you just that bit of a head start so that you don't feel overwhelmed with planning. I want you to have a life you love, and I'm sure that feeling productive and having a plan will get you in the right headspace and also start the journey for you. So check out those links in the description box. And I'll see you soon in the next video. And until then, keep creative, keep safe, and always be kind. And I'll see you soon. Bye! Please like and share my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time!